11th one, write a sample Python programming on method overriding and super method. Okay, overriding is nothing but redefining a method in a child class. Redefining again, you again defining a method in a child class. Okay, we'll see with an example. First, create a parent class here, class animal, and define some function here, method, that means eat self. Define some method here and write any print statement, print I can eat food, whatever. Okay, I eat food or I can eat whatever. And create now child class dog. I want to inherit the properties of this method from the parent class. So for that inheritance concept is there, we have to write a parent class name in a parenthesis here for inheritance, and again define eat method here. Okay, and print I can eat dog food. Okay, so create an object, create a child class object, obj is equal to dog. Okay, so if you create a child class object, so you can child class inherit the properties of the parent class also with this method. But check the output now, call this method eat method now, object dot eat, execute it. See, I can eat dog food. Okay, I can eat dog food, but we can't access this parent class method here. Okay, because overriding method means redefining a method in a child class. We are defining again this method, we are defining again in a child class. This eat method is there, we are defining again in a child class. Nothing but an overriding. Okay, overriding is a method redefining again in a child class. Okay, this eat method is there, we are defining again in this method in a child class here. Okay, I can eat dog food. Okay, so that nothing but a overriding here. Okay, but now I want to access this parent method also. I want to access this pair, though same method are these there between parent class and child class. I want to access this parent method also. For that you have to use super method here. Okay, super dot eat, simple, so that you can access parent class method and properties also. Okay, properties of the parent class. With super function you can access the properties of the parent class, simple. Okay, though overriding takes place, right? Execute it now. See, I can eat food, I can eat dog food here. Okay, so that's it.